I have Nicole Rogers with me. She is from Washington, D.C. She is a member of this delegation, the U.S. Business and U.S. Congressional Delegation that is on tour or is visiting Pakistan right now. So first of all, Nicole, I'd like to ask you, how has it been? What has your experience been as a member of this delegation? Today is the last day of this trip. Today is day 5, and you have been in Islamabad, then Karachi, then you're right now in Lahore, which is the end of this delegation. So, what is your overall impression of this delegation?
The delegation has been a wonderful experience and a great group of American investors, both Pakistani American diaspora as well as other industry executives. And we overlapped for the first bit of our delegation with our congressional colleagues from Washington, D.C. It's been a very good opportunity to really dig in and understand all of the different ways that Pakistan is open for business and open for expanded partnership with the United States.
Can I ask you, what is your background? What do you do?
Sure. I work in a variety of different ways for companies, advising them in critical supply chain sectors. I'm the president of the Alliance for Mineral Security, so predominantly I am here in Pakistan exploring the expanded opportunities within our U.S. Pakistan critical mineral bilaterals, as well as I do consulting for companies in defense technology and the energy sectors and advanced commercial technology sectors. And there are tremendous opportunities for growth and partnership in Pakistan in all of those areas.
So you are an expert on the rare earth mineral. How would you rate? So rare earth mineral are available elsewhere in the world as well. How would you rate the opportunity for some investor who's a long-term investor in rare earth minerals as far as Pakistan goes?
So on the rare earth element front, Pakistan is early in its exploration, but that means it's an early opportunity to participate in the growth of that industry and the upside. There seems to be very good opportunity and deposits that need to be explored and tested to validate the resources. But there are also a number of other critical mineral opportunities within Pakistan, largely in the copper, cobalt, antimony, tungsten, gold sectors, as well as the base metals, your iron ore opportunities as well.
The presentations that you attended, they were presentations by the government and the private sector, and they talked about all the various sectors that are available to investors for investment. How would you rate the quality of these presentations? Were they they were good enough for you to get the information you were seeking, or would you like to advise SICF to make some changes? How would you rate those presentations?
So I think the presentations were very robust. We look forward to getting digital copies of all of them to take home and absorb further. I think there is tremendous opportunity to distill a lot of information into some one-pager briefs that we can then take back to America and share across the United States. And I think that is a tool that the embassy and the consulates should be exploring, as well as SIFC, on thinking about a roadshow in the United States, partnering with the business delegation that came here to share that information more broadly within the U.S. investor base.
So, Nicole, you have experienced some, local, color here. I understand in Islamabad you visited a museum. Actually, you're now, on your way to Data Darbar, which is a very famous shrine in Lahore. And actually, by the way, when you go to Data Darbar, please pray for me as well. I ask you, how has been, just your overall impression of the country itself, country Pakistan, and the people of Pakistan? You've had very little time, but so far, what do you think?
Oh, it's a beautiful country, very rich heritage, and the people have been exceptionally welcoming and engaging and interested in having more of America participating, and I encourage my colleagues back in America to make the visit to Pakistan. It's been a very rewarding experience.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.